Hi, I'm Anita Potter from Needles and Hooks, and here's episode 3 of Finished Objects and Yarn Buys. So, didn't quite get this out like quick enough. I'm gonna do a UFO to FO after this is done, and my lighting kind of sucks because my light's over there. Anyway, so I got a couple of finished objects, and well, I had 3. My youngest daughter took off with one of them, so here's one. Little derpy looking turtle, because I hadn't made one of these in forever. He's a little squishy. So, I'm trying to get him in frame. He's awfully huge. Got tiny little eyes. Can I get him to like look normal? I kind of sewed the head on a little crooked. But whatever. He got little front fins, little back fins. And I'm gonna do a couple of these for my oldest daughter for Christmas. But yeah, I'm going to do it differently. Instead of... Oh my god, that's even way off. Oh well. She'll like it anyway. Yeah. So, when I go and do another one, I'm just going to crochet the pieces in between the shell and the bottom shell. And that should alleviate some issues. So, that's one. Let me put it back over. Well, shoot. Nope. Let me just put it there. And... I have an upcoming tutorial on, if I can straighten my glasses, this hat. I swear the camera, I'm not trying to fix it so I'm like looking at it better. But yeah, it's a crocheted hat. And you can see, well, let me see if I can get closer with the textures on it. So I'm going to have a tutorial on the hat, and I'm making a scarf right now that goes with it, so that tutorial will come out as soon as I can get the scarf finished. I'm trying to figure out if I'm actually looking at the camera. Am I looking at you? I don't know. So that's the finished objects, and we're gonna discuss yarn buys, so give me a sec. Oh, I can't reach. So I went to Joann's, and this yarn was on clearance. Brene blanket ombre. So I bought 3 of these. I always have issues aiming the camera. 3 of these. And then this other one is Brene baby blanket dappled. So I bought 3 of these too. And my youngest daughter wants a blanket, which I already started over here. Doing it corner to corner. I don't have enough hands. So, yeah. Starting corner to corner. Darn it. Keep dropping everything. Corner to corner blanket. So, it's working up quickly. I'm just like... I don't know if all the blanket yarn from Brene like this are all knotted together. When I switched from the red to the pink, there was a knot in the yarn. So I'm kind of scared that once I get through the pink part and go to this other color, that it's also going to be knotted. And I'm not going to be happy with that. I mean, I can hide knots. It's no big deal, but we'll see. So, the rest of this stuff. Oh, and I forgot. I got, 2 of these, like, last week for a bag for my daughter. No, that came in last week, so I got that. So, the next stuff, which was also things I bought at Joann's for my daughter's Turtle Army. Red Heart Super Saver in lemon. Set it over there. Be easier. Big twist. I have no idea what this color is. It's called Slime. And this is the first big twist I've ever bought. I mean, it's soft, but it kind of gets splitty on me. I don't know if it's because I don't know. It just splits on me. Not too much, but it does. And This I had problems with because I was working with it and I was trying to find the center pull and ended up having pulled the whole crap done out of the middle. So it's all wrapped around the side. It's Red Heart Super Saver. What color are you? Cafe, I think it says cafe latte. Ooh. So that's being used. And this one is another Red Heart Super Saver. Spring green. Ugh, just one skeins of those. And if I can get it out of here, another Red Heart in coffee. 'Tis coffee. I wish I had my light over here, but I don't. So that's all the yarn buys. And I'm done for a while. I got like all these projects I gotta get finished first before doing anything. Yeah, I've got basket, 2 10-stitch blankets, my little bath rug, the companion scarf to the hat I just showed you. I need to work on that. I'm trying to get it to 4 feet. Right now it's currently just a little over 1 foot long, so that's going to take a minute. And I was going to do like the hat video on one time, and then the next week do the scarf. I'm just going to put it all together. It'd be just so much easier. It's the same. It's the patterns are like the same, just one's a hat, one's a scarf. So yeah, that's all I have. And I'm gonna shoot UFO to FO here in a little bit, and I'm gonna do it differently. So right now I'm testing camera angles. Right now I've got my web camera sitting on a little tripod sitting on top of a box on my desk, so that way I'm not over there and having to maneuver this mic stand that you can't, this mic stand with this mic, maneuvering it wherever, because I've got, you can't see it, haha. I have a mic on a boom stand, a boom arm on my desk. So yeah, it'll just make it easier for me to do this. And like I said, I wish I had my light. I might move it for like when I go and do the second video. So that's basically, I think that's it. Oh, except for, if I can find one, I bought this. Is a clover hook. I've got one that's a size I9, which is 5.5 millimeters, and I got a size J, which is 6 millimeters. Holy crap, these things are so smooth crocheting for me, and I'm just like, holy crap, where have these been all my life? Because I've been needing ergonomic hooks, and I bought, I got hooks everywhere. I bought a set of boys from Walmart, but it lacked an I9 and a J10, so I was like, crap. And they didn't have any individual I9s or J10s at Walmart, because I went the following week to just double check. They didn't, so I went ahead and ordered the clover hooks, and holy crap, these are awesome. One of these days I'll get a whole set of those. But what I would like, and I don't know if that exists, is not knock everything off my desk, a set of ergonomic hooks for these things would be fantastic, because I do have all this crochet cotton. All right, see there's a mic stand that holds my web camera, but I have to have it like forward, so that's a bag, a crocheted bag that's holding my cotton yarn to keep the mic stand arm from falling down when that's on it. So that's why that's back there. Yeah, it's a production here, that's for sure. Anyway, I don't, other than a big giant bag of polyfill and some safety eyes that I bought at Joann's, there's not much else going on. I'm currently working on too many projects. When are we not working on too many projects? When I do UFO to FO, it's going to be with my son's blanket that's way over there. That way, because that needs to get done. I bought the 2 skeins a month or so ago, and I got 2 more skeins, so I got the 4 that I needed, and I'm going to like work on that next. And that's not over here, so that's all I have today. Let me know what you're working on, and if you've purchased any yarn recently, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.